Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open the camera app and swipe to video mode on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Tap the action mode icon to enable electronic stabilization for handheld clips. Action mode prioritizes smoothing and reducing shake when you shoot motion. It can stabilize footage for fast walking and running shots and works up to 60 FPS for smoother playback. If you plan heavy color grading, choose ProRes in settings for higher quality files. Otherwise, use HEV to save storage space and export speed. Hold the phone with both hands and keep your elbows close to your body. Use the widest available lens for more stabilization margin and better motion capture. Frame your subject at chest height and avoid extreme vertical tilts while walking. Keep your steps smooth and bend your knees slightly to absorb shock when moving. Use a short strap or wrist loop for extra security when running with the phone. Move the phone deliberately and let action mode compensate for quick pans and small jolts. Trim and crop action mode clips directly in Photos or in iMovie for quick edits. Apply additional stabilization sparingly because too much will crop your frame and reduce resolution. Choose HEV export to save storage or select ProRes if you need maximum color and detail. Maintain 30 FPS for cinematic feel or use 60 FPS for very smooth motion in action sequences. Share files via AirDrop or cloud storage to preserve quality and avoid recompression by messaging apps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.